The easiest and most awesome pizza that I have already made in my whole life. The dough is surreal. Do you want to learn it? Come with me. Let's start by putting 2 eggs in the blender, half a cup of oil, 1 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 spoon of baking powder. Here I used the cap as the measure. And let's beat everything very well. If you love pizza, comment down here that I will answer everyone. Also, tell me what city you're watching this video from. After beating it, let's add 2 cups of flour. Now guys, the dough is going to get heavier, so if you want to use a spoon to help you mix everything, you can do it, okay? And keep an eye on your blender. Done that, let's pour our dough on the greased form with butter and flour. And look how beautiful this dough is, guys. Of all of the pizzas I have already made in my life, this one was the best one. Make it in your house that it's a success. It's going to surprise you too. After spreading it very well, let's take it to the preheated oven to 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. We have to pre-bake it first. After 15 minutes, it's already pre-baked, and let's go to the best part, which is the filling. First, I'm going to start with the tomato sauce. I'm going to spread it for all over the pizza. Then I'm going to put slices of ham and mozzarella. Guys, this was the filling that I chose, but you can put the filling you want, okay? Here I used around 15 slices. Then I'm going to put the mozzarella. Here I used around 20 slices. I used more because I really love cheese. I also put tomatoes to give that juiciness that the tomato always gives. Then I put a few pieces of onion because I think it gives a special touch to it. I also put oregano because a good ham and cheese pizza must have oregano, right? And let's finish it with a little oil. And take it to the oven, again preheated to 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes. And our pizza is done. Look how beautiful it is. Seriously, it waters my mouth. Make it at your house, that I'm sure you're gonna love it. I had never eaten a dough that was so yummy like this one. And if you liked this recipe, please like the video, comment, and share with all of your friends, because this action helps us a lot. Nothing better than this pizza at night, right? And from 0 to 10, what do I deserve for this recipe? Comment down here that I soon am going to answer everyone. Goodbye, guys.